What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video and thank you for being here. Today was a very good day. It was a killer day for me. I was able to bounce back from all the losses that I have been taking very recently. And currently I'm up for the month, 300 bucks, and I currently locked myself out for the profit that I just made today. I just want to mention in this video, it's going to be announcing that I'm going to be doing a giveaway for this month. I always do giveaways every month, so if you want to stay tuned for those giveaways. In this video, I'm going to be announcing how you can participate in a giveaway. I'm going to be giving away 2 of the 50k starter plans from MyFundedFutures. They're always our friends. They're here to help us, and they hook me up with a lot of cool free stuff for you guys. So stay tuned until the end of the video. I'm gonna talk about my first daily recap of today, and I will show you how you can participate in the giveaway, and also I'll show you the current promotion that MyFundedFutures are currently running on the expert plan. So starting off, first of all, I want to talk about my trades for today. Today I made the highest P&L for me was 644, and then I you see like how the mentality kind of shifted, right? So I just got it back to 500 and I was like, oh, lock myself out. I don't want to deal with this anymore. And how I was able to bounce back is I tried to use and implement volume profile with ICT concepts, but it's not really fully ICT, and you will see in a second. So I came into the day, I was bearish, and I ended up taking bullish trade, and then a well, actually first bullish, bearish, and then bullish again. But I came in today, I was bearish. Why I was bearish? So let me take off all these things. So coming into the day, I was bearish. I looked at the daily. The previous day was unable to close above this green candle, and just took liquidity from it, and that's it. And even on the S&P, there was a massive bearish SMT right here. So talking purely ICT here, it's bearish, completely bearish. We should go down, and I should be looking for shorts, right? Awesome. Let's jump back on the 15 minutes. This is how the 15 minutes looked, and this is market open. Actually, let me do New York time to not confuse myself and confuse you guys. This is the 10 a.m. news candle right here, and then we kept pumping up and up and up. And we had a consumer sentiment at 9 or 10 a.m. New York time, and PPI at 8:30 New York time. So 8:30 New York time PPI, and then right here is the consumer sentiment. And I was actually looking for short ideas and bearish ideas, and unfortunately we did not really get a good short play until one up here, and I did take it, and I'll tell you why I took it. So I saw the market pumps all this, like, that's crazy, man. Almost 100 points here, or more than 150 points. But then I decided to take the reversal here, and let me show you what I mean by that. So first of all, I tried to implement volume profile into NASDAQ because today I was able to trade AM session. So I know I said that I don't like NASDAQ anymore, and I'm going to trade gold, which I will still do. But on the days that I am able to look at the market and analyze it pretty well, and just have time to look over it completely and with cautious and being focused, I will still try to trade NASDAQ. So volume profile, I applied it here, point of control right here. Value area low, value area high up here, which is really good. Awesome, great. Now I came into the day after all this pump, and I was like, and here's my execution, by the way. Just the key of the advice that I want to give you is I did implement the time in sales and DOM and the ICT, and how I see the candles into these trades, all of these trades. And in today's trading day, I had 81% win rate. Let's see yesterday, well, yesterday I only took one trade and it was a loss, right? But today I was able to take probably what, 9 trades, and I won. Let me see. I won 9 and I lost 2. So there you go. And the profit factor 4.0, which is really awesome. And again, going back here, and if you guys are interested in how I read the price action right now, because let me tell you what, I kind of hate ICT trading strategies, because all of them are based on patterns, and you need to implement time in sales and a DOM into your trading to get more confirmation. So I got long here because of one reason. I saw the time in sales, like it was, let me actually show it to you, one second. So here it is, guys. I want to show you that trade and why I decided to jump in long, like way up there, and did not wait for retracement or anything like that. Look at the time in sales. Look, 150. Do you see that? 150. Want to stop it at right at 150 when I saw those like massive orders, like you see 12 buy positions. Look at this, 4 up, 150, 28, 60, 77. What the heck? The market is gonna like fly right now, and that's why I decided to let me jump in there. And actually the market did move, right? And I'm not just saying that. So here, market dipped a little, but then look at this massive candle. So my fill 51, it's already gone to, you can say 77. So that's already instant reaction. Like, look at that. But the thing with this is I was a bit greedy. I was trying to go for previous high, but we ended up leaving it so it can confirm that it's an SMT. And I got out of this trade pretty much not really good profit from that. But look at this, like this is 50 to maybe to 77, so that's 27 points right there. But then I did not take, I just did not take profit, did not secure it. The only thing that I secured was 26 bucks, and I just, you know, I decided to jump in long again after getting stopped out because, well, I'm not gonna show you every single trade, but it was just flooded with buy positions here, and I ended up getting, I think, a break even out of this trade. But as you can see, every single trade, there's a massive difference, guys, when you like see and implement that time in sales with that concept that you're trading or that strategy. And eventually this sell idea right here, well, that's the buy, and I'm gonna get stopped out here. But look at the time in sales, because I'm gonna jump in short here, because I was like, since the start of the day I was waiting for a short idea, but I kept pumping. So I thought that, hey, we might be going for the previous day high now. But look at this, buy positions, right? And then this is gonna immediately flip 30 shorts. Go short. It's like screaming go short to me. So that's why what I did, and I was targeting what? And look at this, guys. Value area high, we're trading above it. So value area high, we're trading above it. So that means that we're in a premium zone. The price is in premium, and we need to go to discount. Discount is where? Point of control. And if you guys need more information on that, on how these are traded, these levels are traded, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll make a video about it. I don't mind it. A lot of people out there, they charge tons of money on it, but listen, man, I've been through a lot of trouble and a lot of ups and downs, and I don't mind sharing helpful and free information. And the market kept dumping, and I was also greedy enough to go. This was a 5-minute fair value gap, and I was trying to target the 50% of it, but then I was more greedy. I don't know. It's okay. It's really good to see that where my target, like my initial ones hit, but the problem is for me for being greedy. I was targeting the beginning of the fair value gap at the end, but as you can see, it got the 50% off, or the 50% of the fair value gap inside of the equilibrium and at the point of control. And look at this now. It's gonna flip to green and it's gonna get me out, and this will be a buy to the what? Value area high, to just go retest from it again. And that's exactly what it did. So not all inverses fair value gap work. Not all retracement to the 50% work. Not all fair value gaps work. So this is what I want to share with you guys. And I want to show you. So I got out here. Okay. So right here, when it will decide to get me out, because it does, it is like a wrong trade idea, because it already retraced and everything and it just went to the target. Now it's ready to reverse and maybe go somewhere else to the next target. So here I decided to go long, and the reason why, because I just saw a bunch of green in here with, like, you see, like all of this is green, man, and I wanted to get out and go in long, but I was like, you know what, maybe we'll keep pushing, because I thought, like, just because we went that far, maybe there's a slight chance that might be a market sell model and not just a retracement, because we kind of like pumped out of nowhere for no reason, and my original bias was bearish, but that was bias without any time in sales or DOM or whatever. So ICT students, ICT stuff, it's not gonna always be good. I want to show you that candle, that pumping candle. I want to show you the time in sales of it, so you guys know how it looks when the direction is right. You see all of this is green. It changed instantly, you know. So you see, keep buyers tipping in. A couple of sellers, buyers are answering back with 10 10 5 5 3. Come on. So it's pretty easy, guys, and I know this could be like a whole new video, but I just want to share with you what I did, why I took these trades and all of that, right? And I was also greedy. I was targeting more, but the enough target and the right target is the value area high, and that's it. And that's just the right target that you should be targeting. But because I was trading small micros, I don't really see the value of it, and I didn't care of holding or getting stopped out. But then after I got stopped out, I kept like taking a bunch of other trades that I took. One of them was stop loss, and the other one was kind of like a break-even trade. But anyways, that's how I trade now, and if you need more information about that, we can do videos later on it. I also want to show you that the MyFundedFutures account that I had, that I blew the daily loss limit of it yesterday, or that daily loss of it yesterday, I was able to get it back to where it is, plus $100. So again, good job for me for that. And I was able to catch that short, also using the DOM and time in sales. Pretty awesome. Pretty, I don't know, man, it's just pretty good to just see something like that, and it shows you a higher percent rate of success, other than just blindly out of nowhere just looking at a candle and be like, oh, this is a bearish fair value gap, let me just take it blindly. And sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Okay, so that's what I want to share with you. So that's it for today. Today's trade recap. I just wanted to share with you that, because I always want to share single thing that I trade, how I trade, whatever. I like to help people because I am in your shoes right now. I'm trying to make it just like you. Okay, so I want to move on to the next thing, which is how you can participate in the 250k starter account giveaway from MyFundedFutures. Again, thank you all so much for all your support. And the way that you participate in this giveaway is you need to have a valid MyFundedFutures email. If you don't have one, please use that link. You're gonna find it in the description below and right here in this form, and you can just copy it and paste it with this right here, this link. Using my link, create a free account on MyFundedFutures just to have a free dashboard so they can apply the free account if you win it. Also, there's going to be a secret emoji with the name of it. You just plug it in here. And if you have any suggestion for YouTube videos, this is an optional thing. You don't have to fill it out. But if you do have any suggestion, if you want me to do anything for you, any concept you don't understand, anything, just let me know. I'll try my best to execute those videos. So again, you will find this Google form. It's going to be linked in the description below, and you can just click on it. It's free to participate. You just need to be a subscriber and a supporter to the YouTube channel, our community, of course, like the video, and just to fill this out with a valid MyFundedFutures email. Keep in mind, this will close on Sunday, will close on 10/13 at the end of the day, and winners will be announced in the next video on Monday. This is how you participate in this giveaway. Lastly, I want to share with you is the MyFundedFutures are currently running 10% off promotion on expert plans and resets if you use my code Kemo. It's on the top right hand corner of the screen. Just use code Kemo and it will give you 10% off on expert plans or resets, which is pretty good. And if you want any other accounts to purchase, guys, make sure to use my code Kemo. It will give you the exclusive and latest and greatest discount out there. So make sure to use that code if you're purchasing anything from MyFundedFutures to save you extra amount of discount. And that's going to be it for today's video, guys. I want to appreciate every single one of you guys. I always get ton of support and love on the videos, even if I do bad or good. But again, the least that I like to do to you guys and to share with you is how you can trade better. And this is kind of a journey that I'm trying to figure out myself. And when I find something valuable, something that works, I always like to share it with you guys, because I know there's a bunch of people out there that are currently struggling just like me. So I like to return the favor of sharing helpful information and useful information, not just gimmicky or just fraud, just like the 99% of people on the internet. So that is all for today's video, guys. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel to be a valid participant in that giveaway if you like to participate in that giveaway. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace.